To recover an archived post on Instagram, head on to open your Instagram app, and then at the bottom right hand corner you're going to tap on your profile picture. Then at the top you're going to see 3 horizontal lines at the right hand side. Tap on it. Then you're going to see the option how you use Instagram, and then under it you're going to see archive. So tap on archive, and here you're going to see all your archives. It could be post archives, story archives, live archives. Now if the archive is on the post, tap on post archive, or if it's on the story, tap on story archives by tapping on the drop down at the top, and then you're going to see the option story archives, post archive, live archive. Now because I want to recover an archive post, so you see it is under post archive and I have different posts I have already archived. So I'll tap on the post I'm interested in recovering. Let's say I want to recover this, so I'll tap on it, and then at the top right hand corner you're going to see 3 dots. Tap on it, then you see the option show on profile. So you go ahead and tap on show on profile. You go ahead and confirm again. It says your post will show up on your profile and people will be able to see and interact with this post again. So you confirm it by tapping on show on profile, and it has been restored. If you got value in this video, then do consider liking this video, sharing this video, and subscribing to my channel. Thank you, and I'll see you in my next video. Later.